kids have those big ass fucking heads.
Oh yeah, that was on the computer.
That's what they look like.
Yeah.
So you guys, you can go with Mark and you can go with Dan.
Okay.
When you guys get out there,
Yeah, it's a lot. Is Mark still here?
yeah, he'll come back.
Yeah.
You guys will help load up the plates into the back of the dump trailer, and then Dylan, you can help Mark and Reece load up the excavator onto the flatbed. Dan, I'll call you when to come out. We'll load the plates up, and then you'll go over to the other side. You're with Dan helping load plates, and then you guys just gotta wait over there for Reece to get over there with the excavator to take them off.
Okay.
In case it tips. Holy. I bind that down like this.
Yeah. I need a hammer or something.
What'd you do? You can't get the pin out? I don't need it out.
Oh, I thought you needed it.
Take this one out. But it's already flipped down, so you're good.
Put all the plates in the back of the dump trailer?
They got them down there, and I haven't picked up the ones down here yet.
Oh, you okay.
So I'll have them bring those ones up too if you want to grab those ones. The asphalt guy? You got his number or?
Hey! Hey!
Wait, hey!
Hey, hey, hey!
Wait, hey!
You! Hey, you! No! Hey!
That's unbelievable, dude. That's crazy. Oh, maybe Dylan heard you.
What? You're a fucking idiot.
My bad. Oop.
Yeah. Yeah.
You get it on that last
Put
one?
her in. Yeah, that's fine.
All right, here we are, episode 6. Today, finishing northbound side, going on to the southbound side. We put plates. Frank going down. Oh, bring it back down, bring it back down, bring it back down. So you can get a pretty good view of these guys on the other side of the highway here. This is southbound over here. You see he's unloading the excavator now. We got Mark with our compressor here. He's got their shims in the back. We're hoping to be done this asphalt before they put Silpro down for their shim plates. yardstick.
I'm supposed to use a yardstick?
No, you can use a shovel.
That's what I said last time, and they told me not to.
Who told you not to? It'll be okay.
Yeah, no,
Or either that or you might have one.
I'd rather use a shovel. That's what I said.
Go ahead. I'll be right back to help you with the whacker. Yep, no. Yep, send it. Squeezy, squeezy, squeezy boo, squeezy, squeezy. All right, Frankie, Daddy will be good with that.
Don't lift that alone. It's too heavy. That's why it's got fucking
You
four.
gotta work on your squatting
It's got
form.
4 handles on it. You got hand up here and up here. Yes, sir. So one on each side.
I practiced all last year.
150 pounds.
Reece says it's like you're taking a shit, you know?
We made a song for Reece.
Matthias, help me rake for a second. I'd grab that shovel, to be honest.
The outside of the tailgate.
Okay, put another lift in. Double light. You like that? Roll it? What? Oh, yeah. It's a block, yeah. We're almost done, and then we're gonna move over there.
Okay.
It's
Very fast, I mean.
Yeah, I know. All I'm saying, it's gonna take a little bit. Like, it's coming off in, like, you know, 5 by 5 inch fucking pieces. Like, it is dumb. All right, we can get us a little snack here at the Irving. Reece wanted a Coke Zero. We are currently headed back to the yard. We're gonna go grab another hose here so we can be running 4 hammers. Go grab our snack here. Let's see what they got. Reece wanted something schmeedy. All right. That's what I call snack. All right, so we're back at the yard. Just gotta grab me some of these hoses. Uno del Hozo. Uno del Hozo. The do. All right. Got back there. Ah! Back there. Put our saw up. Just away from the thing. Okay. All right. Let's head back out. With our hose. Let's get this shit hooked up and I'll show you guys some chipping. All right, so there's the end of our chipping for today. We got it almost all out. I think we'll be able to pour. I think we'll be able to pour come Monday, and we'll finish out our chipping. We'll have Mark weld it up. I got to put some rebar in and shit, but I think we might have enough time to weld, so we'll see.